New just listed home, 2991 Northwest 46th Avenue, Unit 303, Lauderdale Lakes, Florida. By Robin Waugh from the Military Veteran Team. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath home on 1,021 square feet of charming space in a cozy, well-managed area. Inside, the expansive living and dining area is bathed in natural light, flowing into a functional eating kitchen with ample cabinetry and essential appliances. The layout hosts a restful primary suite and a cozy additional bedroom perfect for visitors or a home office. These are served by 2 full bathrooms designed for both accessibility and comfort. Outdoors, enjoy a private screened balcony with peaceful pool views and access to resort-style amenities. Contact us and make it yours.